Welcome, this is Panda-Frog and the pass around box from Mr. and Mrs. Deadlocks finally arrived. So that's the package. So we will do an unboxing, then we will then see what's in the package. And I already forgot the name of the box, but I will put it in the title. Yeah, and then we'll see what's in the box and adventure how we can open it. Alright, so first thing first, Mr. and Mrs. Deadlocks, they would like to travel on with the box, so the box travels on, and whoever wants it next may just comment on this video something with box, and I will choose randomly one comment with the text box in it. So if you want the box next, the travel around box, just leave a comment with box in it. Maybe you can think of something funny, I don't know. Alright, so let's get in there. I already opened it because I was a little anxious. Yeah. Alright, so we got another key here. Ooh, diary mug. I will keep this for me and my wife. So what else do we have here? Okay, so it is empty. No, it is empty. Alright. Good. We're gonna keep this box. Hopefully I can send it. So this is the pass around box. Nice. I think it's a Greensen. I forgot. I put it in the title. So this is Mr. Deadlock's favorite pig, and I believe that's Mrs. Deadlock's favorite pig. I will have to explore the meaning of this one. All right. So I will put this, of course, all back in the. There's something extra. I will use the challenge lock. I will not put it in the package for the next person because I will need some time with this one. But I will pass on the challenge lock for sure. Let me really quickly. Still love this pick. This is Lockpicking Coal Miner, still the best pick I have. Thank you. I believe it's 5 pins. We will see. We will pick this one later. Because the video now is about this box. Alrighty. So we got different ways to open it. And the Deadlocks told us, so it is locked. Whatever is in here you can keep, but I have to refill it. So you will see. So we're gonna use this favorite pick of Mr. Deadlock. I believe I also have one from Sparrow. Basically do the same, but I'm gonna use this one. So what you have to look for, like it's like a notch. If you do like this, you have to find a notch. That's not there. There's a notch. Alright, so we got on a 3 a notch. This one has false gates, so it also has a notch on 8 probably, because 5 more or 5 less. There's also not, so it's, I don't know if it's a false gate right now. You will see. Another thing, if you have picked it, you will need to change the code. I believe it's a 2. If I can't open it this way, I will just pick this lock, which we will do also later. Nothing here. No, I'm not sure actually. I believe it's 2. Alright, so let's. Yeah, there's 0 is good. 7, I don't know. 6 is nothing. I believe the 7 was good. So if it's 7 was correct, then it's 2, yeah. Alright, so. Okay, let's see. No, it's not a combination, but now I go 3, so plus 5 it would be 8, I guess. So 2 should be then 7, right? Nope. Back here. Alright, so 8502. What I did was looking for the notch. You feel it in here. And it does have false gate, so it can be either the 3 or the 5, either 2 or 7. So that was like the last one I was trying out. Alrighty, so there's a note. I'm gonna read it really quick. Yeah, I see a lot of locks. That's very nice. Hi from Mr. and Miss Deadlocks. As you have received this letter, one would think you have managed to decode our box. Yes, sir, we did. Well done. You now have the joy of whatever contents remain in the box, with the exception of this letter and the key, which are to be passed on in whatever way you want. I will do it with the comments on this video, put in some sentence with box, maybe something funny. We would be grateful if you could fill the box, reset the code, and pass it on to who you choose. As I told you in the comments, we would love to see a video on how you open the box on YouTube. I will upload that soon, so be sure to email us with your YouTube name and where in the world we can find you at deadlocks86@hotmail.com. Well, this is little star. Wherever you are, comfortable. Okay, the word. Okay, so country, town would be enough, I guess. Look forward to hearing from you, Mr. and Miss Deadlocks. All right, thank you. Nice note. We'll put this back. Now let's see what we got in here. Don't mind if I just... Let me see what I want to keep. So now we're empty. Alright. So we got... Let me see, is this... I have to look it back up before I know. Is this the box key? Yeah. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, it's so secure. Look at this. I'm not putting in the key all the way, and it's already open. Okay, so nice box. Ooh, I'm going to keep this one. I believe it's from the cheap video, the cheapest lock you can find on Amazon or something. I will keep this one. It's aluminum. I will have fun with you. Yeah, you're mine. Don't mind if I keep this one. Alright, so we got a security, whatever. Looks Chinese. I don't like these locks because they are known to have any spring tension. I do have one of these. No, it's not this one. The Bay. It's basically the same. See, even the key fits. So I will pass this one on because I have a similar to this one. But yeah, I don't know if you have tried it, but I haven't opened mine. So we got a couple ABs. Let me see what I don't have of these, and I would switch it out. I don't have a 60. I do have 55 and I have 65, but I don't have 60s. 6530s? Do I have 6530? Probably not. So I will probably keep a 6530, and I will keep 6030s, and we'll refill it with some other locks in a minute. So this one goes back in. Alright, now I wanted to explore this lock a little more. So we saw it's probably easy to rake. So the code, I already opened it without. So let's agree you don't need to pick this one. You just need attention to. Okay, so, but there is, I think I broke it. Now I can open it without a key. Sorry, Mr. Deadlocks. I guess I broke it. Let me try to reset it somehow. Ah, of course the number is in. I'm so stupid. Sorry, man. Alright, now it's locked. So, yeah, that was my fault. Still does turn. So let's try to rake it. Let me get this pick in. Need a different tensioning tool. It's kind of annoying. Alright, so it is rakeable, of course. I don't want to try single picking, to be honest. Alright, so what's up with this tool? Probably can somehow open it. I don't know how. Can you like open it with this, or I don't know. I don't know. So Mr. Deadlocks, let me know what's with this one. So I will later reset the box and fill it back up. Whoever wants to join in on the pass around box, just write a comment, something funny with a box in it, and I will choose one comment at random in about, let's say in about 1 week's time. So this video will probably come out on Saturday at 8 p.m. and let's do it next Saturday 8 p.m. is the deadline. Alright? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.